Hello, right now we're in tropical Tibet. Maybe winter storm Carter had already formed, and let's see what it looks like. Maybe there's winter storm warnings are in California. Wait. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the forecast, and now there's winter storm warnings are in effect. Well, maybe for California, or yeah, for California, and it could be moving. It could be moving somewhere away from California, and maybe I think they gotta prepare. Well, tomorrow is December, so we're back in tropical dips, and maybe this is Carter, and it's moving south northwest, and maybe dissipating, and that's all it. So there could be there's no. So we're seeing no nor'easter happening, but this is maybe, I think that was Carter dissipating, but no. Let's see the model, and maybe you could see it forming. Yeah, I think right here, and next is like dissipated. So that's the update. Bye.